Health is defined as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Growing up in the Midwest, health was never emphasized in my home life. My father, originally from Wisconsin, grew up on beer, cheese, and brats. He played basketball all through college. My mother, originally from Iowa, grew up on milk, beef, and home-cooked casseroles. She played 3 sports in high school while managing her 4-H farm club. They both led busy, hard-working lives with subpar nutritional diets. Seeing pictures of them as high schoolers, you would have never thought they had such poor diets, yet they were so unbelievably fit and healthy. Why? I asked myself this question constantly in high school, especially after I tried on my mother's wedding dress and I couldn't even fit it over my thighs. What was different about their lifestyles back then compared to mine now? Well, this underlying question sparked my interest in the health field, and now, being an alumni of the University of Wisconsin-Green Bay Division I women's volleyball team, I understand how important health and wellness is in my life. The amount of emotional and mental stress, physical activity, and time management Division I athletics brought into my life required me to maintain a healthy lifestyle to perform at my best. Health and wellness are now the backbone of my life. Staying disciplined in weekly food preparation, daily exercise, getting enough sleep, scheduling time away from myself, and maintaining a daily routine are a few things I do to maintain a healthy lifestyle. It is an enormous challenge to uphold a healthy lifestyle in the fast-paced society we live in today. However, it is the key to achieving the best version of ourselves. Don't think about what you are missing out on by being on a diet or taking time out of your day to exercise. Think about bettering yourself and leading a healthy lifestyle to accomplish more success in your life today.